Hello everyone, welcome to BrainRich. Today I will show you how to prepare a presentation using a NotebookLM. NotebookLM is one of the best AI tools. There are tons of features available in NotebookLM, but today we are going to learn two features of them. One is to prepare a presentation and another how to prepare a one pager or you can say infographic of particular sources. Let's start our exercise. Practically prepare a presentation using NotebookLM. Open the tab NotebookLM. Try NotebookLM. Here in screen you will find a tab Create New Notebook. On clicking the Create New Notebook, you will find different ways to input your new source. You can directly give here web link. Here you can give PDF, images, doc file, audio, website, YouTube link can also be pasted here. One of the best feature here is that you can directly give content name. For example, I am giving PMFME subsidy scheme. It will automatically find different input resources or content available on the website. Let me show you. Here, there are different resources identified by NotebookLM itself from web search. Here, you just click the resources you want to import. By importing different resources, you will find some description of the resources imported by you here. Now, after importing these all resources, you just click on slide deck. It will take a little bit time. By clicking here on slide deck, the slide automatically will be generated within a few minutes. Here on clicking, you will get the entire slides of your presentation. By clicking on play button, your slideshow will be started. From here, you can also download PDF document. You can rename also and also share the presentation with anyone through your NotebookLM. And by clicking on infographic, you will find one pager which will explain entire source information in single page, which is easy to understand. See here, benefits available, who are the eligible, what is the process of applying, what is the funding sharing ratio between central and state in this scheme. All details are presented through one page only. By clicking on this pencil button, you will be allowed to edit your presentation style. Here you can say presenter slide, detail deck, length. You can make short if you wish. This is default. Here also you can change your language. And so many languages are supported by NotebookLM. Even Hindi, Gujarati, English, normal, Marathi, Nepali, all the languages are supported by NotebookLM. And here you can describe any specific detail if you wish to enter in your presentation, and then you can click on the generate button. It will take little bit time. Same detail can be edited in infographic. If you wish portrait, if you wish landscape, if you wish square template, here you can concise standard. If you wish detail, then more detailed information will be displayed in single one page. Even also different languages are here. So many languages are supported by that NotebookLM. Here specific information can be inserted by you to generate your infographic. Keep continuing watching our channel for more details on other tools of NotebookLM in our next video. Thank you for watching this video. I request all to like and subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon if you like the video. Thank you.